Casey Jones, he was a mighty man, but now he's resting in the promised land. The kind of music he could understand was an 8-wheel driver under his command. He made a freight train boogie all the time. He laid the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. We started ringing the bell. Everybody along the line could tell Casey Jones, he was a-coming to town on a 6-8-wheeler that was flat on the ground. He made the freight train boogie all the time. He made the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. Louvin Brothers was a mighty team. They could play the boogie and sing like a dream. They rocked the station with a brand new beat. When the freight train boogie got them on their feet, they made the freight train boogie all the time. They made the freight train boogie as they rolled down the line. They made the freight train boogie all the time.